people. Noun.
ناس أشخاص اسم
Subscribe to the channel. See more English word videos and keep learning new words, more practice. Pronunciation. People. Syllables. It has 2 syllables. P. Pool. Forms. It has 2 forms. Singular. Person. Plural. People. Meaning. 1. Human beings in general or considered collectively. 2. The members of a particular nation, community, or ethnic group. 3. The supporters or employees of a person in a position of power or authority. Example 1. The earthquake killed 30,000 people. Example 2. The people of Canada. Example 3. My people live in Warwickshire. Synonyms: folks, individuals, persons,